In our previous lesson, we focused on the days of the week. Yes, the days of the week. Well, in our upcoming lesson, we will take you through the names that bears the days of the week. Yes, the names that bears the days of the week. That is what is coming up right now.
Inkano, namagrinda mreka mfantama. Missy Essiden. Na apodel smart media but show me there. Onye Essiden. Oye Essiden.
Welcome back. As we have informed you in the intro, some names bear the name of the days of the week. That is, these names are automatic names that are given to people, not by their fathers or by their family, but they are automatic names that come by the day you were born. In our previous lesson, you'd realize that Monday is Joda in Fante. Joda. So let's take you through these names. As we take you through, you would understand why we say that some names bears the name of the days of the week. Let's start with Monday. A female born on Monday in Fante here in Ghana will be called Ajowa. Ajowa. A male born on Monday is called Kodwo. Kodwo. Please note the spelling. The spelling for Kodwo in Fante, as it is displayed here on the screen, is different from the one that is spelled in Twi, or a slang of it, like Kojo. That is not a proper spelling for Kodwo in Fante. So please take note of that. The reason is that in Fante, there is no alphabet J in Fante. We don't use J in Fante. It's not there. A female born on Tuesday in Fante, we'll call that female individual Abena. Abena. When it's a male, it's Kobina. Kobina. Right? Please don't confuse this name with the tree one. The tree, some might say Kwabena, but please remember, we are learning Fante. A female born on Wednesday will be called Ekuwa. Ekuwa. And if is a male, is Kweku. Kweku. A Thursday born, who is a female, will be called Abba. Abba. Sometimes called Ya. Ya. When he's a male born on Thursday, we'll call him Yao. Yao. Or Ko. Ko. That is a bit of a sway from the name similarities, the Y, Yawoda, instead of Y, the K, Ko. That is it. So when you hear someone called Ko in Ghana, that individual was born on Thursday. A female born on Friday is called Efuwa. Efuwa. Male, Kofi. Kofi. Saturday born, female, Amba. Amba. Please note, we didn't say Ama. Amba. Saturday born, male, Kwame, Kwame, ana Kwamena, Kwamena. Sunday, female born. Esi, Esi. Sunday, male born. Kwesi, Kwesi. So please take note of these. To all those who really want to learn Fante and better their speaking of the language, you might at occasions come across some names that that sound similar to the ones that we are learning here on the Fante channel. To help you stay focused, we want to make it clear to you that tree is not Fante and Fante is not tree. There might be some sort of similarities in how some of the words are pronounced, but they are not the same. Especially the spellings, they are not the same. Let me take you through these quick ones. The spellings of the names of the days, the names that bears the days of the week. For example, take a close look on your screen up here. Friday, female born, in Chi. Check the spelling up. And in Fante, see the difference. Also, Tuesday, male born, in Tree. Check the name up. And Tuesday, male born, in Fante. This is the name. So please, you see the spellings. They are very, very similar. But not all the time. The spellings are different. But one thing that brings about these similarities is the fact that Twi and Fante belong to the Akan languages that are spoken in Ghana. Akan languages that are spoken in Ghana. So therefore, it is believed that they came from one big, clan. It's a bigger clan that has its sections under it. And for that matter, we have names, pronunciations that are very, very similar.
Apodels Multimedia, Mfanti Kaseshiana Edo, Mayhem more.
Thank you very much for staying with us on this episode of Apodels Multimedia Fante Kodwo. We are happy that you came and you have learned the names of people in Ghana, especially the Mfantis, that bears the names of the days of the week. Thank you very much. I am your regular Ochecheni Apiemensa. Until we meet again on this channel, stay safe and bye-bye.